Have you ever wondered how people become wealthy by investing in the stock market? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. The stock market, in its essence, is a marketplace for buying and selling parts of companies known as shares. When you buy a share, you essentially become a part owner of that company. Now imagine the company you invested in is doing well. Its profits are soaring and it's expanding. As a result, the value of your shares increases. When you sell these shares at this higher price, voila, you've made a profit. But remember, the opposite can also happen. If the company doesn't perform well, the value of your shares may decrease. It's a bit like a roller coaster with its ups and downs. But with careful planning and a bit of patience, it can be a thrilling ride towards financial growth. So, the stock market isn't as complex as it seems, is it? Now that we understand what the stock market is, let's dive into why people choose to invest in it. Investing in the stock market offers the potential for high returns, often outpacing other investments like bonds or savings accounts. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow over time. Take the example of Warren Buffett, who started investing as a teenager and is now one of the richest people on the planet. His strategy? Long-term investments in companies he believed in? That's the power of the stock market. When you buy a share, you become a part owner of that company, sharing in its success. Plus, some companies distribute part of their profits back to shareholders through dividends, providing a steady stream of income. But it's important to remember, investing comes with risks, and you should always research and understand your investments. Investing in the stock market can be a powerful tool for wealth creation if done wisely. So, how does the Indian stock market fit into all of this? Well, the Indian stock market is a bustling marketplace where shares of publicly listed companies are bought and sold. It's home to two major exchanges, the National Stock Exchange, or NSE, and the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. These exchanges serve as a platform for investors to buy and sell securities, and they play a crucial role in contributing to the Indian economy. And speaking of the economy, let's talk about India's future. The country is on an upward trajectory, with its economy expected to become the third largest in the world by the middle of this century. This means that companies listed on the NSE and BSE are likely to grow too, offering vast opportunities for investors. Remember, the stock market reflects the economy. As India's economy continues to grow, so too does the potential for profitable investment. So, let's dive deeper into how you can make smart investments in the next scene. So, how can you make smart investments in the stock market? Well, let's dive right in. The first step is research. Just like you wouldn't buy a car without checking its mileage, don't buy stocks without understanding the company's performance and potential. Take Warren Buffett, for instance. His success in investing is largely due to his meticulous research and understanding of companies. Next, you need to understand the market. Have you heard of Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the Indian Warren Buffett? His deep understanding of market trends has been a key driver of his success. Thirdly, diversification is your best friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various sectors to mitigate risks. Finally, think long-term. Rome wasn't built in a day, and wealth isn't accumulated overnight. Consider the story of the Indian couple who invested in Infosys in its early days and are now multi-millionaires. Remember, investing isn't about quick wins, it's about building wealth over time. So why should you consider investing in the stock market? Well, let's take a moment to recap. Investing in the stock market offers a plethora of advantages. It's a way to grow your money, protect your financial future, and even beat inflation. Now, let's talk about the Indian stock market. It holds a wealth of potential. As one of the fastest growing economies in the world, India presents numerous opportunities for savvy investors. Think about those who invested in companies like Infosys or Reliance Industries in their early days. They saw the potential, and today their investments have paid off handsomely. But here's the key: smart investing strategies. It's not about making a quick buck, but rather about investing in the right places, at the right time, with the right amount of patience. Investing in the stock market can be a powerful tool for building wealth. But remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and a long-term strategy. Are you ready to start your investing journey?